All right, we have some more breaking updates coming in. This time, Bhutan has issued a demarc to China over China's attempt to declare a Bhutanese wildlife sanctuary along their border as a disputed territory. This is the latest update coming in. Bhutan has this time demarked to China over its attempt to declare a Bhutanese wildlife sanctuary along their border as a disputed territory. Let's go across to our political editor. Aishwarya Kapoor is also joining us for more on this. Aishwarya, so Bhutan has now issued a demarc to China over its attempt to declare a Bhutanese wildlife sanctuary along their border as a disputed territory.
Well, absolutely. At this point of time, what is happening, Richa, is that all of these countries understand that the kind of expansionist policy which Beijing is now following, hence they are not allowing them. The world is coming together. All of the neighbors of India are now backing India at this point of time and then raising their eyebrows towards any act of aggression by China. And then in this regard, even Bhutan now has basically issued this against China. It doesn't matter what is the issue. The very issue stands that they are all against the very expansionist policy of China, and that India is garnering support. So the world stands with India, and everyone understands that the kind of aggressionist and then the expansionist policy which Beijing is following, this will not be allowed. And that is the point where it all comes to, that China is being shown its place by the world, even by the neighbors on whom China felt that it has complete authority. So now even Bhutan is standing up against Beijing and then issuing all of this, because at the end of the day, the kind of expansionist policy which Beijing is trying to express to all its neighbors, it's going to be harmful for everyone. And what Beijing tried to do with India, India has shown it back, that this will not be accepted. Don't be under any doubt. And now even Bhutan and then the other countries, so on and so forth, are now coming up with this, because at the end of the day, the kind of very statement which came out from the Chinese Foreign Office was that they have sorted out border disputes with 20 of their 14 neighbors, when the reality stands that they share their borders with 14, but they have border disputes with 21. So that shows the reality of the real expansionist policy of Beijing. And now with Bhutan also issuing a statement against Beijing, it's clear that it doesn't matter how big or small, how strong or weak a country is, every country has a right to basically take care of their own land and take care of their boundary. And this kind of an expansionist policy of Beijing will not and shall not be accepted, Richa.
In fact, Aishwarya, another question to you. As you rightly stated, that post what has happened in the Galwan Valley with India, we have seen how the world in a way has woken up to the expansionist policies of the China. And now Bhutan, who has time and again supported India's cause and been with the country as well, again slamming China for its expansionist policy, this time at a sanctuary that they have called a disputed territory. So clearly it seems like there has been a change of wave across the globe when it comes to their policies towards China.
Richa, once again, it is not about what was the particular issue in this regard. If you see, ever since India standing up back to China, India showing Beijing its place, India showing the might of its, now you have these smaller countries on whom China felt that it has complete authority, that it can snub them. Now these countries are standing up. Philippines is going to be the next in the South China Sea. So what is happening is Beijing's expansionist and then the aggressive policy which it follows just by thumping power, that is something which is going to be met by this reverse thrust, Richa, because now India has shown that India stands with each and every of that country which stands against this expansionist policy of Beijing. And Beijing is also understanding that these smaller countries now stand a chance because India stands with them. India is going to back them, and these countries are now backing India. Because this kind of an expansionist policy in today's world cannot be accepted irrespective of how big and small you are. You had Russia coming out and saying that India and China can sort out their problems on their own. Basically saying, in other words, that India and China are equals. They can handle the situation. So the world stands with India. And once again, this is just the beginning. Bhutan, Philippines, all of these countries are now standing up against Beijing because only and only of the expansionist policy about which even Prime Minister, without naming China, mentioned it very clearly, Richa, yesterday.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for getting us our perspective. We'll keep
Richa.
coming back to you for more on this.